Keep blazing your fire, fire, fire. Blazing your fire, fire, fire. This is Jimmy Morgan, bigging up Aromatic Realistic TV. Real about ya here. Subscribe now. YouTube. Boom.
Reality check one from your device, and you know it's a unique one, Aromatic Realistic TV. Anyway, a lot of people been calling and asking, Aromatic, what is your views on the Joel and Sylvia case? And honestly, my opinion is my opinion, and my opinion is no one else's opinion. But before we even go to that point, we must always remember, you are innocent until found guilty in the court of law. You are innocent until found guilty in the court of law. So all you will hear now is allegation, propaganda, opinion, and allege. Allege, allegation, opinion. Because everybody is going to have their opinion. But we should remember and be mindful that you are innocent until found guilty in the court of law. There is a lot of red flags in this case, and we are going to point them out. But before we reach there, remember, I said it's an allege. The last time I checked, Joel and Sylvia, this man is a full-grown adult and should be fully responsible for his action. Right? So if he do something at his house, the responsibility is his. Nobody can pinpoint him because everything is in front of the justice right now. So we have to leave it and let the justice system do their job. Right? But for them, the people out there are trying to tie this man to Mark Golding. It's rubbish, it's nonsense, it's garbage. You hear what they say? Farmer. Farmer mean not present, it mean the past. He's not a member. The last time I checked, there is 14 MP and this man is not a MP. So he has done his time and served the party, and the party has moved on. He may be a supporters or friends with them because that's how it works. But what you want to tell me, simple analogy, Aromatic go out there and Aromatic commit a crime. What you want Aromatic to do? To blame my viewers and subscribers for my action? Listen, if I should go out there and do something wrong, hurt someone, should me turn around now and blame my viewers and subscribers? Or I should take the full responsibility of my action? It is plain and simple. So I hear people, oh, Mark Golding need to come out here, and what the man need to come out to do? Mark Golding having yard. Uno hear say something happen around a Mark Golding yard? Uno hear say Mark Golding and his wife in a something around a yard? So even if me and someone a friend, I'm not responsible for their action because we are all adult and adult responsible for their action. But if you notice, oh, them bring it out, PMP, MP, PMP, farmer, MP. They did not say MP. They have to watch the motive behind these things. Watch the motive behind these things. It's the motive we are watching. Why they could not say a farmer MP, but the mouthpiece really come out with PMP, farmer MP, wife. XYZ, XYZ. So me are asking you, what Mark Golden need to come out there and do? Something that happen up a Mark Golden yard. Uno here say them find Mark Golden wife dead of natural cause. No. So a rubbish, nothing are trying to tie this thing to the PMP. For the PMP to look bad. I uno motive that. Uno watch the motive behind it. PNP farmer MP. Why it couldn't be farmer MP? Why it have to be PNP farmer MP? Farmer simply mean that this man is not current. When I check the last 14 MP, he's not a part of it. He has done his time and served the people. But he's not a member. He maybe is a supporter. So anyway, let's go back to the 10th of the 11th, 2023. When that news first break. That Melissa Sylvia died of natural cause. She go to bed and she never wake out of her sleep. So the people who examine her before they pass it on that she died of natural cause, did they check her clothes? Did they check her body? Because now we heard that gunshot is in play. So the people who examine her, inspect her before they send her off to the morgue. No trace of hole through her clothes or blood or anything. That's the first red flags in it. She was declared her death natural cause. So the people who inspect that body and send her off to the morgue. And a month later, an autopsy report said gunshot involved. Now, my viewers and subscribers, do you know the amount of things can get done in one day? Do you know the amount of things can get done in one day? Much less a month? A month later, an autopsy report come back and show that gunshot was involved. And who break that report? Who break that report? Nationwide. Nationwide break that report. A radio station that is not credible. I would rather to take my sources from a dog than from Nationwide. It's not credible. Fake news, propaganda, JLP mouthpiece, anything the labor right want him to do, at that Nationwide do. So all of a sudden, we are going to take this information from a source that is not credible and running with it. First, she was declared that she died of natural cause. The people who examined her body and sent her to the morgue, there was no gunshot to this lady body. But a month later, the autopsy showed that there was gunshot. Thirdly, the breaking news coming from Nationwide, a radio station that is not credible. The same radio station was shoot up them one radio station to get attention. The same radio station, that shoot up themselves to get attention is the same radio station now is breaking a new story that after a month long, Melissa Sylvia gunshot involved. I want to look into it. I want to look into it. But what I want to see is a specialist, forensic specialist, or the autopsy personnel. Because what Aromatic want to know is, was Melissa dead from gunshot wound? You hear what I say? Me say Aromatic want to know if Melissa dead from gunshot wound. Or it was her dead carcass in that morgue received bullets. That's what I want to know. Was she died from those bullets, or it was her dead carcass received bullets in that morgue? She leave her house and the report she died of natural cause. A month later, we hear that gunshot is in play. Thirdly, we get a breaking news from Nationwide. The same radio station was shoot up themselves to get attention. And now you want to tell Aromatic, say me must take source from Nationwide and run with it. That's what you want to tell me. Me must take source from Nationwide and run with it. This propaganda radio station, GLP mouthpiece that do everything to make the GLP look good. Fake news. And all of a sudden, they break this. After 1 long month, the lady that was declared died of natural cause. We hear now say, gunshot is in play. So the question is, was Melissa died from the gunshot? Or it was Melissa lifeless carcass received those shots in the morgue? Jolan have an alibi. Jolan have an alibi. You know what is his alibi? My wife was declared died of natural cause. When my wife leave my home, there was no gunshot wound. She was declared her death natural cause. The inspection and the examine was done, and there was no gunshot wound to her body or clothes. No blood, no nothing, no little residue, nothing burn. But something have to be there, bro. If she get 3 or whatsoever gunshot, something have to be there for sure. Where is the evidence to show? So Jolan alibi, or Jolan's statement, when my wife leave my home, there was no gunshot. So the question is, did Melissa Silvera, lifeless carcass, line that morgue and receive gunshot? Those are the questions that need to ask. The man have a strong alibi. Whether you want to take it or you want to, whatever you want to say, they removed the body from his home. When that body was examined and removed, there was no gunshot. A month later, we get a breaking news from Nationwide radio station that gunshot is involved. Uno no see one whole heap of red flags. Uno no see one whole heap of red flags. Something no right. Could it be this woman lifeless carcass lay in the morgue and receive those gunshots. Now, as I said before, you are innocent until found guilty in the court of law. My big problem is the justice system. Because if he is not guilty, they have to set this man free. And if he is guilty, then he would have to face the time for his action. Right? The biggest problem that we face in Jamaica is the justice system. And the question is, can we trust the justice system? And the answer is no. Can we trust the justice system? And the answer is no. And I will point out some example. The Financial Investigation Division has just cleared Krasky, the owner of the thieving institution SSL. You hear what I just said? The Financial Investigation Division of Jamaica has just cleared the lawsuit against Krasky, the owner and founder of SSL, that thieving criminal institution that defraud Jamaican billions of dollars. Can you trust a justice system like that? Bloomfield from East Portland, that was murder. And we don't hear nothing out of it. A MP, Bloomfield, was murder. And we did not hear anything. Can we trust a justice system like that? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. A Patrick Bailey, the Prime Minister form of attorney. A man was murdered inside of his apartment. It was only 2 of them inside that apartment. That man received 22 stab wounds and a gunshot to his head. They report that he was a gardener. But we do our due diligence. And fowl come home to roost. It was a lie. The police said there was no forced entry or break-in. And it was 2 of them in the room. Fitz Bailey turned up and said the man need 2 weeks. Doctor said the man need 2-week bed rest. Is that a justice system that we can trust? A Grace McLean, who steal millions from the education ministry and our youths, and she out there on the street walking up and down. Is that a justice system that we can trust? A Rural Reed, who steal millions again from our youths and the education system, but yet still is out there walking up and down. Is that a justice system that we can check? A Andrew Wheatley, who at Petrojam we lose millions of barrels of oil and millions of dollars, and he's still out there walking up and down. Is that a justice system that we can trust? The Prime Minister of Jamaica started 5 companies while working for the people of Jamaica, which is conflict of interest. He also recommended one of those companies, which is Western Construction Limited, for a government contract. Where is he now? Is this a justice system that we can trust? The problem is our justice system who shields and protects criminals. So what Mark Golding need to do, if I am your friend and you committed a crime, should I be held responsible for your action? It's simple. It's simple, bro. You know, I try to push this thing too much to make it look away. Because at the end of the day, you know, we see the narrative that is pushing. The narrative that is pushing is to try to attach this man to the PMP. Because what? The murder Bloom theme and that they hang over the Labour right head. The Patrick Bailey murder, it they hang over the Labour right them head. So they might try to come round with something now. But as I said to you before, and I will say it again, you are innocent until found guilty in the court of law. The man's wife was pronounced dead by natural cause. He was examined and inspected before she was shipped to the morgue. A month later, Jamaica, there's a breaking news from nationwide radio station that gunshot involved. The amount of things that can get done in one day, Jamaica, much less a month. A radio station that is not credible. For 1 second. Fake news, propaganda, labor right mouthpiece who twist and spin everything for it to look good on the side of the labor right. Now gonna break a report like that and me gonna run with nationwide report? A news outlet that is not credible? You're kidding me? A youth like me who are in saying I'm sane, mind, conscious, do my due diligence and know what that radio station is all about? And Aromatic should take for them breaking news as gospel and run with it? Come on. Come on. You don't see the motive. You don't see the motive. She was pronounced dead by natural cause. Her body was examined, inspected before they sent her off to the morgue. A month later, Jamaica, there was a breaking news over a nationwide that she died of gunshot wound. The question is, Jamaica, was this lady died from gunshot wound at her home, or it was her lifeless body lay in the morgue and received bullet to that carcass? That's the question we need to ask. That's the question we need to ask. And can we trust the justice system to bring justice in Jamaica? We see the motive, we see the narrative, and we see what them a push. PMP, former MP, wife was murdered. Now, gun is at play. And look who is breaking that story. The radio station who shut up themselves. Eh? The man said the man when have on one yellow helmet, then I one black. He said he was on a bike, then he start walk to the building, then the people then get flat. Get flat, not this. Not this, you get flat. It no mean to say stoop or squat, you know. He said get flat and dash inside. After the man was walking towards the gate and they hear gunshot, they get flat and dash inside. So me never know, so you can't lay down on your belly and dash inside the same time. That was the chief founder report over by nationwide. And you want Aromatic to come take the nationwide information or for nationwide breaking news and run with that and have it out there night time. They try to dash around the PMP neck and have it and they pull down the PMP. You know, mad man. Mark Golding is a respectable man. You hear say Mark Golding commit anything up on yard. You hear say Mark Golding and his wife have anything up there, brother. The last time I checked, this man is a full-grown adult and responsible for his action. And as I said before, you are innocent until found guilty in the court of law. So all what they go on here now is allegation, allege, and opinion. Anyway, my people, that was my 2 cents. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We tell them, say, a God and good road. No man is an island, and none of us can stand alone. United we stand, or divided we gonna fall. Love your fellow man. Love your brother. Love your sister. Show them respect. The struggle is real. Can't get no more realer than the 7 going to 8 years under this Andrew Holness-led administration. We tell them, say, God and good road. The significant word. Art of love. Art of love. Art of love. Peace out.